Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to pair HUAWEI AM61 Bluetooth earphones with your Ulefone Note HP. First of all, you need to turn off your earphones, so press and hold this button and wait a few seconds. When you see a red blink, it will be notification that your earphones turn off. So next step, need to turn on and wait for pairing mode. So press and hold once again and wait when the earphones blinking red and blue. So we got a pair mode on our earphones. So next step, go into Bluetooth settings on our phone, click pair new device and choose our earphones. Then allow access to our phone, pair, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.